Hello everyone, we were just experiencing a very strong earthquake here in Davao City. We live in our condo on the 10th floor, so we ran downstairs. There's the people right now. All of us are here downstairs, try to flee the earthquake. Yung mga tao naghanap ng mauupuan dahil lahat nagtakbuhan pababa. Lahat ng mga tao dito andito na sa baba, dito sa Burden Park. Masyadong malakas ang earthquake, but so far walang balita na hindi maganda. So okay lang. Dito kami lahat sa baba ngayon. Maghanap ng maupuan dahil naghihintay pa na baka may aftershock. Masyadong malakas po. Ayan, sila pa sa mga tao, wala na sa buildings. Ito yung Verdon, malakas ang earthquake, so secure naman ang building. Nakatayo pa rin ang building. Basketball. Andito lang, nag-uupuan lang dito. So, nakatayo pa rin ang building. Naghintay lang kami kung among instruction. So, andito pa rin kami sa baba. Makikita mo sa lakas yata ng earthquake. Naglaba, ano yung tubig, oh. Masyadong wet yung side ng swimming pool. Ewan ko kung may naliligo kanina. Umahon yata kaagad dahil sa lakas. Oh, masyadong basa po itong floor. Yung ground floor ay basa po. I'm telling the ground floor, the swimming pool is close. The water is sloshing, is splash outside. So the floor is wet. There's no rain, but the floor of the pool is wet. On the side of the pool. It could be the result of the strong earthquake. We don't know the magnitude yet. There's no news yet. But it's pretty strong. So we ran down the stairs all the way to the ground. Now we're staying on the ground. Thank you for watching.